Hello everyone, today we are going to make egg chili fry. We'll start with the mise plat. We'll dice the onions, julienne of ginger, sliced garlic, julienne green chili. We'll do the dices of tomato. And here you can see all the mise plat is ready. We have boiled the eggs too, which is 5 numbers of eggs. So there are all the ingredients. So ingredients are ready. Mise plat, everything is ready. Now I'll show you step by step. Going to make it. See the eggs which we have boiled, we have to break it with a sharp small knife so as when we fry it the spices goes inside the eggs. See, we have heated some oil in a pan and put the eggs. We put some salt and also the red chili powder and we cook it for a couple of minutes till it gets a nice coat on the eggs and the surface gets little fried. So now we will take out the eggs from the pan and you can see it is evenly fried. The surface is well coated with the salt and the red chili. Now with a hot pan with the oil we will put ginger, garlic, green chili, cook it for a while, put diced onions and then we have to saute for a bit, and later after another 30 seconds we will add the diced capsicum. And we have to saute it well together. We do not have to cook it really well until it gets brown. It's just the rawness of the vegetable should go off. See, the onions are almost 2 medium sized onions and half a capsicum which I have added in the recipe. You can add or delete as per your requirement. Now we will add some spices. I have added a bit of pinch of salt and we also will do a red chili powder, just a small spoon. Since I've added 4 green chilies earlier in the recipe and they are quite hot, so that's why I'm not adding too much of red chili. You can manage it accordingly. You have to cook it a bit and then we add some diced tomatoes in the pan and then we have to saute it a bit. Not much, we do not want the tomatoes to leave the water and get mushy. I want everything to be really fresh and then crispy so you can get the mouth feel of all the vegetables. Now we will add few seasonings in the sauce. There is a Maggi seasoning which is an all-purpose seasoning used for Asian vegetables and cooking. So I'll add few dashes of the sauce. So it has soya, chili, vinegar, everything in it. So you do not need to have all the sauces for this. And later to add more spice to the dish, I'm going to add this Szechuan garlic sauce, which I have bought it proprietary from the market. I've added around a big tablespoon of the sauce. And then I will cook it for a while. Keep stirring on a high flame. The flame should not be simmering, it should be high throughout. Now is the time when we add the eggs. Another 10-15 seconds. So yes, the eggs which we fried earlier, now we will add the eggs and the vegetables and we will give a nice stir. And finally we will add the spring onions. Lovely colors in the dish, you can see it's so fresh and then it's really nice, goes very well. You can have it with steamed rice or fried rice, even the noodles will go well. Now our egg chili fry is ready. Enjoy and relish, and like and share in the comment box. Happy cooking. Stay safe.